Hi guys, welcome back to Floor Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to make Redbud Jelly out of redbud trees. So let's go. So these are redbud trees. They have really pretty purple blooms just in the springtime and then they leaf out nice and green for the summer. This is what we're pulling off to make our jelly. Okay, now that we have our redbuds harvested, we're going to make redbud tea to start our jelly. So I'm just going to dump all of my flowers in here. I probably only have a couple of cups. Really, you should have as many cups as possible, but my parents' redbud trees were really tall, and so I couldn't really reach them very well, especially one-armed. So we'll stick these in here with about 4 cups of water and get it boiling. Here's our 4 cups of hot water. Alright, this is boiled for a couple of minutes now. The flowers have all kind of lost their color. So I am going to strain it into my measuring cup here like we've done with our other jellies in the past, using just a canning funnel and a piece of cheesecloth. Okay, and then we're going to add our redbud tea back to our pot and turn it back on high. To our boiling redbud tea, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of powdered pectin. Now, I've read that the liquid pectin works better for floral jellies, but this will work just fine. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And it made it a really pretty kind of pink color rather than kind of a green tea color. So we'll get this stirred until the pectin is all dissolved, and then we'll add our sugar. Okay, we gave that about a minute, and now we'll add our sugar. And again, we're just going to stir this and boil it until it is all dissolved for just probably a minute or 2. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off because this is boiled for now a couple of minutes. It's starting to thicken up just a smidge, and it is ready to pour into our jars. Now, we could actually water bath can these, same as the lilac jelly that we did. So 10 minutes with a water bath canner, leaving about a 1/4 inch of headspace. However, as always, I'm giving these to friends and family, so we will just can them up without sealing them for them to enjoy fresh. And then I'll keep this big one as extra. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.